Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. I know it's been a while, but I am happy to be back. I just needed a little break and it feels good. It felt very good and I'm ready to start crafting, which I've already started. I know I'm probably a little bit late to the game, but because if you follow Erica's designers, you know that this release has already been out and people have already created with it, and there are beautiful projects that I've seen and I'm really excited to be working with this. I will have a video showing what I created with these dice next week. And so for now, just in case you have not seen her newest release, here it is. So this first die set is called a Ladybug Heart Tag, and I really do hope that by the time you're watching this video that the stuff or some of these dies are still available if it's something that you plan to purchase. And it's a really good size, you guys, and it has a lot of dies. Look at that. And if you check out her website or her store, she has really cute samples of what her designers have created with it. And then now these, I love creating my own flowers, you guys. So these are called Sakura Flowers. So here's a die set. And you see you get different sizes. And when it comes to flowers, I would not take them apart. That way I can run it through the machine all in one pass. And now this one, oh, this one is so cute. This one is a golf cart. And look at that golf cart. It's adorable. Oh my gosh, I think it's so cute. I've seen some of the samples, and I mean, these ladies are amazing. This one is called Paperclip Mini Album. Yeah, I'm just making sure that I have the correct names for the dies, and I love that it has the layers. And it has all of these leaves. I love the leaves. Actually, I personally love leaf dies, which I don't have enough of, I feel. And yeah, look how cute this is. I love all the layers. The next one is called, now this one, it doesn't look like it because I had no idea what it was. So I had to look on the website. But this one is a Doily Handbag, you guys. So this is like the handle, and look how cute that is. Look at that design. And then this is like the actual bag, like the box. And let's see, it has some words. This one says gift, treats and gifts. So that's what that looks like. Again, if you look at the samples, you guys, it's a really good size. It looks like a really good size. This one is called Diamond Mini Album. Now this one has a lot of dies. Now this is one big die, and you can make this into a shaker. But if you look at the bag, here is the rest of the die. Now you can see how you can layer these. You can use this as a background piece. Oh my gosh, that's gonna look so pretty, and it's a really good size, so you can definitely use this as a card front. This one is called Pop-Up Card, and I love it because look, you guys, it's literally an envelope. It's like a dimensional envelope, almost like a box, and it even comes with all of these tools, you know, perfect for Father's Day, or also for, you know, females who love to fix stuff around the house. Not me, but I know there are people who do. And how cute would these tools look like, you know, like in pastel colors? Oh my gosh, I think that would be so cool. And now, oh, also I want to mention that I personally love when dies have layers. So if you see right here, this die set has layers. So here is the actual box, and then you can see where it has that layer right there. Love that. And last but not least, this is a journal page pocket. Now this is pretty big, you guys. Look at my hand. It's huge. And look at this pocket, and again, it has all these tools, and you can use it with or without it. And it has this window, and you can definitely make a shaker out of that. And there is the layers for that pocket, you guys. And look, there's a shovel and this like spatula looking thing. I don't know the correct words, the correct, yeah, terminology for that. But yeah, so this is her latest release, you guys, and it is really amazing. As you can see, it is different. I love it. And so I hope that you subscribe to my channel so you can check out and next week, so you can check out what I create with these dies. And also, you guys, don't forget to use my code, which is ROSA, ROSA. I'll have it here in the screen. That will give you 10% off your purchase. So I'll have direct links down in the description box. I'll have links to her channel, obviously to her store, to the dies. And just so you know, these are affiliated links, and I would appreciate it if you use them. Anyway, so that is it for today. Thank you so much for watching. Hope you all are having an amazing day. Bye, everyone.